say someone just lost a parent and they're overwhelmed. What should they do immediately after a loved one passes away?
I mean, immediately after, right? First thing is we have to report the death. We need to call the proper authorities. We need to get that paperwork started, contacting the funeral home. They'll be the ones that kind of work on transporting the remains. Um, and then really it's starting to identify the key players in that person's life, whether it's loved ones, children, you know, I have a lot of clients that maybe have people outside the state of Texas as family members. They need to be notified. Um, some governmental agencies should be contacted, like Social Security is a big one. We need to report that fairly quickly because if someone is receiving those benefits, they need to know. Otherwise, they'll kind of keep paying it out to the individual, and then they've got no problem coming back and saying, "Hey, we were paying out these benefits when this person wasn't alive. We need them all back." And so that can kind of be an issue at times. Um,
Okay.
Other things like making sure, I mean, and then of course looking for important documentation, right? Do we have wills? Do we have funeral arrangements, burial arrangements? And that's usually most times people keep that somewhere in their house. So kind of going through and locating that important documentation.
Right. What if they may have had a will and but you don't know where it is in the house?
Mhm.
Is there a way to locate a copy of the will if you don't have it?
It's again, it depends. There are systems in place. Most counties have the ability where you can actually put your will on file with them in advance. It's called a safekeeping agreement.
Okay.
It's not public record at that point, but basically it just says, hey, when I pass away, the county already has that documentation. Whoever my executor is can go down and get it and start that probate process. Um, Sometimes we can figure out where the document may have been drafted. As an attorney, as a drafting attorney, I never keep my client's original documents because if something happens to me, if I die or become incapacitated and I can't remember, I don't want that responsibility. So I usually give my clients the original. So I always say check the house first. If you can't find it there, check safety deposit boxes, check the court. Um, those are usually where we start looking first.